Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make moong dal chatpate at home. You can serve this dish in any casual situation such as a casual get-together or while hanging out with your friends. You can start by taking a bowl and pouring some bean sprouts in it. You can add some diced tomatoes, some green pepper, some onion, and some cilantro. Then you add some hot sauce. In this case, we have added some sriracha sauce. Then you add some vegetable oils, but in this video we have added some extra virgin olive oil. After that, you add some chaat masala. Then you add some salt and red chili powder. Then you mix it all well together. You can even add some diced boiled potato if you want the taste to be better. Then you take half of a lemon, then squeeze it into the mixture. Then you mix it well together again. After that, you take the aloo bhujia and other bhujia of equal amount and pour it into the mixture. You can even use crushed instant noodles if you want, or if that is what is available to you. Make sure to mix it well together. There is no actual ingredient to making chatpate, as you can add or subtract anything to your taste. You can use any ingredient that is available to you. You can make chatpate anywhere and anytime, as it is quick and easy to make. After some mixing, it is ready to be served. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe and turn the notification bell for more videos like this.